What's up, what's up, what's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Ben Kabi. I wonder if I could. Nah, I ain't even gonna distract nothing from this countdown. All right, so we trying to do this pre-sale real quick. It says 11 seconds on the clock. Let's get it. I'm gonna refresh for now. 3 seconds. All right, redeem. I'm gonna just put a max. I'm gonna drop 400. I'm gonna do it, people. I just threw my $400 on there. See if it goes through. Oh, I had to approve it first. The hell's going on? Yo, oh my God, did anybody else get anxiety like this on pre-sales? Jesus Christ. What is going on? Everything's moving slow. Oh my God, why me? Come on. I might still have some time. This is the whitelist pre-sale, guys. See, say token sold is up here. Let me see. Wow, I had to approve it twice. Doesn't make any sense. Now it's giving me the opportunity to. What in the world is going on? Did we just get rugged? No, let me stop. Let me stop saying it. Let's go. What in the world is going on? And I had it open on my phone. What? I had to open on my phone. Wow, it's not letting me invest. What is going on? What is going on? Oh, hell no. This can't be real. Oh, maybe I gotta try a solid number. Let me try 400 flat. I think that's what it was, people. Not 100% sure, but I believe that's what it was. I forgot a lot of times on these buy-ins, if you got like 0.00, like if you got like that's numbers after, you see? Yep. Dripper just said it. What in the world? Okay. I think it went through this time. My goodness, that was like nerve-wracking. Nerve-wracking, people. So now that I made that deposit, I'll get off this risky stuff. Now that I made that deposit, I could play this for y'all one time. Hey. Hey.
Come and see. You feel come and see.
Hey.
Cryptocurrency.
We in.
Come and see. Defi bully.
Lucky 7.
Subscribe
to the moon.
In
our crypto. Brand new money as we wake up.
Hit the bell, get alerted with
Hey.
the info.
Hey.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yo, what's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Ben Kabi. This is DeFi Bully. We just did a whitelist pre-sale buy-in live for y'all people out there viewing this. All right, so what y'all think about Lucky 7? To me, I believe this is gonna be, well, we seen what happened with LockPay, and this supposedly fixed all those little issues that LockPay had. I'm mad bullish about this Lucky 7's, the 777 Lucky. What is it, Lucky 777 or Lucky 7's? I'm not even sure. But I'm excited. I think it's going to be an easy 20-30x. Okay? So let's do the math right quick. A lot of people, you know, 10x just means times 10 of your investment. So if it was a 30x, it'll be, for example, in my situation, I deposited 400. So 400 times 30. If it 30x's, then I should have $12,000 out of that $400. Oh, yeah, let me tell them. Yeah, it was a whole number issue. And everybody, if you guys want a nice, small, knit community that's niched in the DeFi space and we just about making money and helping each other out, Bullpen Millionaires is my Telegram group. It'll be linked down below. I'm the creator. Drip is an admin. We got a lot of good people in there. Shout out Shannon. Shout out Lee Scientist. Shout out Mr. Aloha. Yes. Shout out everybody in the group. Shout out Joint Pressure. You say. Nah, but we out here. Like I said, I'm bullish on this. I was gonna run through some information about Lucky 7's for the people that didn't know and want to join in, because I'm gonna upload this video and the public pre-sale is gonna be an hour after my current time. So it should be, right now it's 1 o'clock Eastern, so 2 o'clock Eastern there should be that public pre-sale where other people could buy in, and the official launch will be on June 1st. Yeah, I have a link for everything down below. Hold on, let me show you right here while we still on the video. Oh my god, there's so much different things in this group. Hold on. All right, here we go right here. So the official launch would be at 1700 UTC time, which should be tomorrow at 1 o'clock Eastern, 1 p.m. Eastern. June 1st should be the official launch time. If you get it on the pre-sales, it's a little bit like less stress. It is a max of 1500 per wallet for the pre-sale. Obviously at launch you can throw in whatever you want, but it's just an opportunity to get in a little earlier. You get me? This camera on me, I just want to make sure I'm covering these points. Let's go over here to the group really quick, because I believe they're having a live chat. Oh, they stretched it back out. Oh, it's for 1 o'clock. Okay, 1 o'clock my time. All right. I'm an hour behind Eastern. What the hell? What is this? Yo, people be posting all types of stuff in. Yeah. Okay, so this is the countdown timer for the public pre-sale. Okay, people. So I believe I got in. I believe the people in my group got in. We had a few whitelist spots. What else? I got a slight feeling I'm forgetting something. Hate when I forget stuff like this. I wanted to take a look at a white paper. I seen a link for it. Was it in a Discord? Yes, it was. Let's take a quick look through these white papers. Now, the Lucky 7's, they have anti-dump measures. Let's just look at those anti-dump measures. As we mentioned before, LockPay has created a system that allows users to avoid pump and dumps that occur with rebasing tokens. This is a rebasing token. All you do is buy it, and as it's in your wallet, it just accumulates those compounded interest. Just accumulates those interest payments. Lucky 7's follow a similar model. In fact, that there is a max withdrawal per day. The model is very similar to an ATM in the fact that the max withdrawal, there is a max withdrawal per day. The system created by LockPay allows for sliding max of 5% per day. So anywhere between 1% and 5% a day, depending on what the devs got going on, or the buy pressure or sell pressure, they'll decide how much that is per day. So for example, if you have $1,000 in and they only give a 1% limit, you only can withdraw $1 per day. Okay, I mean, sorry, $10 per day. 1% of 1,000 is $10. Duh. If it's 5%, then you will be able to withdraw $50 a day, if that makes sense. Okay, people, that's based off a $1,000 investment. I guess I should have did it with $100 investment. It's easier to track. With $100, 1% is $1, 5% is $5, and so forth. Anti-dump measures help avoid price dumps. Okay, 1 to 5% daily sell limit. The percentage is dependent on day-by-day basis of the chart. Allows for huge price discovery. Okay, so you get to 100 to 1,000,000 in about a year. Okay, they paying out 2.48% a day. So yeah, let's go, people. We bullish. Oh snap, people still ain't buying in. Oh yeah, people, you gotta approve that BUSD and put a whole number, and the price is gonna be 0.00075 at launch. Okay, somebody said the coin must cost nothing because I got a shitload. Yes. All right, hold on. Let me take a look back at what's going on over here in this pre-sale. Do they show how many tokens you got? Oh yeah. I have purchased 533,000 tokens. My goodness. Yeah. We want to see this hit $1. If it hit $1, this is 533 bands. 533,000 off of $400. Hi, yay. That would definitely be good. So far of their tokens sold, they got 700 million and only 71 million that's sold so far. By the hour finishes, I believe everybody that was in a whitelist should be done purchasing, and then the rest remaining would be for the public pre-sale, which I believe there should definitely be a room for other people to get in on a public pre-sale. Okay, this is the link for it. I'm gonna definitely put it in the description. I just want to get this nice. I want to make this nice, short, and sweet, and just allow people to watch this, especially before that pre-sale, the public pre-sale, and even just to get another quick rundown on the project and everything going on with it. Where was that white? I don't remember where the white paper was at, but I believe I covered majority of things. And only other things I didn't cover was stuff from the Telegram group. Let me just go on that really fast. Where the hell is the Telegram group? Is my mind spinning? Lucky Sevens, where are you, Lucky Sevens? Let me just type it in. Lucky 7. Okay, so right now the message is not allowed in the group because they don't want scammers sending their scam codes in there. Said we are making all channels read only besides the general chat in the Discord. We are doing this in order to allow the team and the mods to better monitor the chat and make sure there are no malicious links getting posted. And believe me, if y'all been following me, y'all seen even the best of us fall for it, because I fell for it. I lost like $300 one time on one of them, and I believe like 150 another time. I mean, we live and we learn, you know? That's the risk of this space. So just follow official links, people. Everything will be tagged down below. What else should I say? You could go to the Discord. The general chat is still open if you guys want to talk during this time or ask questions. Refresh the page before buying. Try to refresh a minute or so before the countdown on the website. And also remember, people, when you guys are depositing on these pre-sales, put whole numbers. No, you can't put any cents in there. If you deposit in $100, you can't put $100 and 20 cents. You can't do that. It got to be a whole number, just $100. In that particular example. All right, let's go. What else? Let's see what other tag messages. I'm gonna just say this one, then it's over. This was from earlier today, but they're saying we're very excited for our pre-sale today, but we first need to go over some housekeeping rules. The whitelist and public pre-sales will take place on the site. Official link right here. Please follow the link and this link only. There's a lot of scams in this space. You already know the vibes. Whitelist pre-sale 1700. You see, man, y'all could just pause it right here and y'all could read it, because I'm not about to read this whole thing. I think I read this like 5 times already. There will be no price difference between pre-sale and only 25% difference between pre-sale and launch price. Okay, so getting on a pre-sale is crucial, people. Oh snap, there go Tripper from my group. So the cap for the public pre-sale is $1,500 as well, just to let you guys know. You do need BUSD to buy this, so sell some BNB or whatever you got for BUSD. That's BEP20, Binance Smart Chain. Y'all know the vibes. I ain't gonna keep up too much time, but I'm gonna just play this one more time. Yeah.
Come and see. You can come and see.
Lucky 7.
Cryptocurrency. Come and see. DeFi bully.
30x, 50x, 100x. Bingo in our crypto.
Brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info.
Like, comment, subscribe. And remember, people, it's Nasa Ben Kabi, this DeFi bully, and I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's DeFi. Everything is risky. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because you already see that content is coming in a timely manner. I'm out.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.